One-pot meals are perfect for busy individuals who want to enjoy a healthy and balanced meal without spending too much time in the kitchen or dealing with a pile of dishes afterward. Here are some delicious and time-saving one-pot meal recipes that will make your life easier. 1. Quinoa vegetable stir-fry. Ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, rinsed and drained. 2 cups mixed vegetables, broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, snap peas, etc. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger. 1/4 cup chopped green onions. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a large skillet or pot, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add garlic and ginger. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. 2. Add the mixed vegetables and stir-fry for about 5 minutes until they start to soften. 3. Stir in the quinoa and add 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat, cover, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until quinoa is cooked and water is absorbed. 4. In a small bowl, mix soy sauce and honey/maple syrup. Pour the sauce over the quinoa and vegetables, toss to combine. 5. Season with salt and pepper to taste and garnish with chopped green onions before serving. 2. 1 pot lemon herb chicken and rice. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. 1 cup long grain white rice. 2 cups chicken broth. 1 lemon, juiced and zested. 2 tablespoons fresh herbs, rosemary, thyme or parsley, chopped. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper. In a large pot or skillet, heat olive oil over medium-high heat and brown the chicken on both sides. 2. Add rice, chicken broth, lemon juice, and lemon zest to the pot. Stir gently to combine. 3. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. 4. Sprinkle fresh herbs over the chicken and rice before serving. 3. Shrimp and vegetable pasta. Ingredients: 8 ounces whole wheat spaghetti or your preferred pasta. 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined. 2 cups cherry tomatoes, halved. 1 cup baby spinach. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional for some heat. Juice of 1 lemon. Salt and pepper to taste. Grated Parmesan cheese, optional for serving. Instructions: 1. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. 2. In the same pot or skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add garlic and red pepper flakes if using and sauté for about 1 minute. 3. Add shrimp and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink. 4. Stir in cherry tomatoes and baby spinach and cook until the spinach wilts. 5. Add the cooked pasta to the pot, drizzle with lemon juice, and toss everything together until well combined. 6. Season with salt and pepper to taste and serve with grated Parmesan cheese if desired. These one-pot meals are not only healthy and delicious, but also save you precious time on both cooking and cleanup. Enjoy your quick and balanced meals with minimal effort.